P&G Alumni Foundation and P&G Network. Hello, this is Robert Johnson. I was back at Procter & Gamble in the late 80s with the Bar Soap and Household Cleaning Products Organization and the cells based in Cincinnati. Today, I'm just here to chat with you relating to intergenerational poverty, creating jobs, embracing family potential. And how do you do that? You empower women. And one of the ways that we do that is the support of what is on the hat here, Adelante Foundation. Adelante Foundation has been around over 20 years and was created after a devastating hurricane impacted Honduras. But what we do is we help empowering women to start their own businesses. But beyond traditional microfinancing, there is an educational component to this. And that educational component includes teaching them basic business math and general operations on how to run their own business of choice, whether it is preparing food, whether it is raising pigs, whether it is making scarves or other apparel or artwork for whatever their enclave and villages or community they view as a demand that they could create their own business. And we want to thank you, the Procter & Gamble Alumni Foundation and the P&G Alumni family, for the grant that you provided a number of years ago to Adelante Foundation to train the trainers, and which also helps them work with the empowering women who are out there making their own enterprise to build their own economic self-sufficiency. You all are amazing. I look forward to seeing all of you again. My last international P&G alumni conference that I attended was in Geneva, Switzerland, and it was awesome. And I've attended one other before then. And I'm so proud of our overall P&G network and the foundation for what you do for everyone, both here and abroad. If you want to create jobs, empower women. You want to strengthen a family, empower women. If you want to strengthen countries, empower women and create jobs in those particular countries. Most of those people want to stay in those countries and be with their families and do the best they can. So that's what we can do, and we appreciate you for supporting that. Thank you.